Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Wanted Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to crop the window in OBS. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, this right here is the application and I have already installed it. Now let's simply look at how to crop the window. Well, there is an easy way to do it. Simply click on the screen right here, the display that you have captured, and keep on holding to the Alt button. Once you do that, do note you can simply slide this red icon right here and crop it. Well, it's quite easy. As you guys can see, the display capture has been cropped. Just leave the Alt button right here and now you can change the position. Well, there is also another way to do that. Simply click on the display capture that you want to edit, right click and go to transform. Once you do that, click on edit transformation. And this is it guys. From here you can also change the position, and at the very bottom from here you can crop as well. I'm gonna do it right now. As you can see, the display is being cropped. That is it guys. Now another problem that you might face is that this cropped display is not filling out the screen. Well, it's quite easy. Simply click on the display capture and right click. Once you do that, once again go to transform, and once you do that, simply focus on the right hand side. Just scroll down and at the very bottom you're gonna be provided with two options: fit to screen or stretch to screen. Select whatever one you wish, but for me personally, fit to screen is the best. And guys, that is it. That's how we crop the screen or display capture in OBS. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.